today, let's see how to make a rascal, how to make a property chart. So let's come on start. First we take 2 cups of curd, okay? Start with that. But अगर कुछ भी गिर जाए तो ले लो हाथ से. फिर अगर और गिर गया तो ले लो. Take it out. Sorry. So we took that thing. Take a little more curd. Then obscure non-curd. Take some more beans. No beans. These.
Potato.
We also need potato. Thanks for reminding me. Sorry, I'll use it.
Chutney.
Oh, you don't need chutney, mother.
You don't need chutney?
No, I don't need chutney.
Okay. More curd?
Yeah, extra more curd. Now,
Lick it.
like the top layer. And then we eat that. That was a nice recipe.
It's yummy?
Yeah, that was a nice recipe.
Okay.